All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday prepositions. So where things are. So except. Yeah, to not include something. Like say 99%. Everything except that bit. Except 1%, for example. So I have read all the books except the latest one. I have been to all the countries in the United Kingdom except Ireland. How cool is that? Read that book except this chapter. Read everything except this part. I want to learn all of that except this part. Yeah. I have been everywhere except Cardiff. Except Bristol. Except. I have been everywhere except there. Except there. How cool is that? I knew all of them except that one. I know all the words except that one. I like all the flavours except that one. I like that one, but not that one. Or that one, or those. Yeah. I am working with them except him. I will be working with them. I'm working with them except for those two. Except those two. Yeah. Yeah. Soon they will be here except her. Except from me, we are all going there. Except me, they're all going there. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So except. So to exclude a certain part. Yeah. They are all white except this one. Yeah. We are all ready to climb the mountain except them. We are all ready except them over there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use except in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.